What's up guys, and welcome back to Dark Matter. So Apple just launched their new iPhone 15 models, and I did get the natural titanium version in a few days ago, but thankfully my girlfriend was able to hold off her excitement on opening her white titanium version. So I do have that one here to unbox with you guys today and just kind of give my first impressions of what my thoughts are on the iPhone 15 models. So let's go ahead and get into this thing and let's check out that new white titanium version that they have this year. So they've gone with the pull tabs again. As you know, Apple's working on their sustainability efforts. And so there is the white titanium iPhone 15 Pro. And this is why I wanted to have my natural titanium one here too, because you can really tell the difference in the two colors when they're beside each other. I feel like a lot of the unboxings and first impressions have been kind of unrealistic about the natural titanium, showing it as more of like a just flat gray color. In reality, when it's in the correct lighting or when the sun's gleaming off of it, it does have kind of a goldish hue to it. And I think that's why they kind of took away the gold model this year, was to make space for this. But this is the star of the show that we're here to see today, the white titanium. I don't think anyone's done an unboxing that I know of on this one yet. And it is really clean. Let's take a look. The sides are silver. I don't think this is gonna pick up fingerprints as much as like the blue or the black model are going to. My natural titanium so far has not been picking up fingerprints near as much as I noticed the blue one has. Let's go ahead and set these phones to the side and we'll check out what is in the box real quick. So in the box, as everyone knows, iPhone has finally switched to USB-C. So they've included a braided USB-C cable, not color matched, which some people were expecting to see, but still nice to see that they've upped the quality of the cable they include in the box a little bit and included that braided cable. Put that to the side. And then the only other thing in the box these days is the instruction booklets and one Apple sticker. So at least they still include the sticker, right? So we'll put the box to the side, and I just want to go over a few more things on the iPhone 15 Pro itself and just kind of give you guys my first impressions overall. All right, so let's remove this protective film so you guys can get a look at the new slightly curved screen on the edges. So yeah, I don't know if you guys can see that. I'll try to get some shots to put over this, but the screen is slightly curved on the edges. And this has been one of the smoothest feeling phones in hand. Now, my girlfriend has held my phone as well, and she doesn't agree with me. She thinks it feels pretty light and pretty cheap, but I think the titanium feels great in hand. It is way more comfortable to use than the stainless steel on the previous model. I'll get more into that in my review, but I just wanted to let you guys know that it does feel super light and super premium in hand, at least to me. It's a little weird, I gotta admit, it's a little weird seeing the USB-C on the bottom of this. I've just been so used to seeing it on Android phones over the years. It feels kind of un-Apple, but I guess, you know, this is the new Apple USB-C thanks to the EU. But I'm gonna go ahead and keep testing this phone over the next few weeks. I've been using it for a couple days already. I just want to give you guys an idea of if it's worth it for the upgrade, whether you have a 14 Pro or maybe an older model that you're ready to upgrade from. I know these days the year-over-year upgrades seem a little less exciting, but that's why I really want to dig deep into this and find all the differences between this and the older models. But that about wraps up my initial thoughts and impressions of the iPhone 15 Pro. I just kind of wanted to go over the design a little bit with you, and you guys already know that I'm going to be as real and as honest with you in the review as I can possibly be. So go ahead and leave some comments down below on what you guys would like to see in that full review. Give me a like if you like this video and subscribe to follow along for more. We'll see you guys in the next one.